This is a room tour of Stateroom 11255 on the Carnival Horizon. So you walk right in. I feel like this is a large room for a cruise, but it's also only my third cruise and the largest stateroom I've had, so I'm really excited about it. Come right on in. Obviously, got a bed here, and then this also folds out into a bed, so our daughter's going to sleep on that. You just pop those pillows off and add the linens. Got some nightstands, TV on the wall, view back this way so you can get a good idea of how large this space is. Got lots of plugs here. I did read a tip about bringing an international adapter and you can kind of double your plug space, so we did do that. And then your hairdryer is right here, convenient to your mirror. You've got a mini bar down here with a mini fridge and some mini bar options and water. There's a lot of closet space on this as well. Safe, drawers, lots of space to really spread out and unpack, especially if you're traveling more than one person. We've already moved some of our luggage in, but these are the other closet spaces. So large, lots of hangers. I do think that our large suitcases are going to fit under that bed, so that'll be a great place to store those out of the way because they are pretty large. I'll take you into the bathroom here. Got this shower space. It does have amenities. I actually deliberately left my soap and shampoo at home because I knew that they were going to be here, which is great. And there's a clothesline, perfect for drying your wet bathing suits. Step into the shower area here to show you the rest of the bathroom. You have toilet, lots of towels, a pull-out mirror, a large mirror. So really, really great space and use of space because it is small, but they've really maximized it. And as I said, we did spring for a balcony on this cruise. It's my first cruise balcony, so I'm really excited. And the view is not amazing right now. We're still at the Port of Miami, but this is going to be incredible once we set sail. So there's a great view of the Port of Miami, and you can look down. This is below, so you are kind of over a deck with some sun loungers, and those orange things are the lifeboats. The ocean would be below that. Obviously, right now it's the port. On this balcony, you do have 2 sun loungers and a little table. This will be perfect for breakfast or reading. My daughter has big plans to read a book. You also do have this large window, so if you wanted to just open the curtains and look out, you could do that. Really excited about that balcony option. So here's a final look back at the stateroom, and hope you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Bethany on the Road. This is the port in Ochos Rios, Jamaica. So this is the walk from 11255 to the elevator. As you can see, you come down this interior hall. It's really close. So here's the stairs. You can go down to deck 10, up to deck 11 or 12. And then here's the smart elevator bank. So it is a really quick walk. I mean, that took us less than 30 seconds. Okay, so if you leave the room and heading away from the elevators, this is the walk. So it's a pretty short walk, as you can see. But we have been amazed at how quiet this hallway has been. no matter what time of the day. So you come right out through this sliding door and you're on deck 11 right here, so you can go down to the pool. Camp Ocean is right across the way. You could go up to the ropes course, or the water slides are right behind us.